Welcome to today's session. And in today's session, let's explore some of the orders and order types that you will see when you want to execute an order. It is very important that when you want to execute an order on any of the platforms, you should know what you are doing, because that can make you or make you. So today, if you see this, it's just going to be similar across all platforms. I'm using the Bybit platform, and you can use any of the sites that you use to trade your crypto, and that will still be the same. So you see similarities in them, and let's explore. So the first thing you appreciate is that we are going to talk about two and also highlight on some of the orders. The first order that you see is going to be limit orders. So when you come to Bybit, you see limit orders. This is Binance. You can see it's pretty much the same. But once you come into here, you log in, you check here, it's going to, yours may be like this. That's the original version of whatever is happening. But they have a trading view component on this platform. So once you click on trading view, you are going to see that. So you see I have some MA7 close, MA25, these are some technical analysis things, but don't worry if you're not there yet. But let's go back to Bybit to explore some of the order types. So the first order is limit order. And what is limit order? A limit order is an order to buy or sell at a given price or better. So take this. When you see a trade, and there's a lot of hula baloo, there's a lot of things going on, up and down movement, and you want to enter the trade at a specified place, you can wait for the order to get there. So for example, this is limits. This is how it looks like. Then this is the platform, the analysis, the candlesticks and stuff. You see, the trade is somewhere that I will not feel comfortable entering a sell or buy order here. You may not, right? Based on the analysis, based on the RSI, with this, you may buy short or long, whatever. But then, if you're not certain about the market, I can say, okay, let me wait here, because maybe at this point in time, there's some support here, and there's support here also, right? So I can wait for maybe the price to get to this support level for me to long the market. And that is the importance of the limit order. So you see, you come here, this is the limit order, and you just, if you click on this side, if I click on this, you see, say limit buy. So it simply means that I can buy from here, and I input the quantity I want, and I buy. But sometimes this may be a little bit confusing, because the quantity here talks about BTC. So you have to quantify it and stuff, and sometimes it's difficult. It may not be, but if you can just position it here, that is okay. So what you do is that you go to the limit order side. They say order by value. So you see order by value or order by quantity. So the value is very important. So just order by value, because your money is in dollars. So you just buy. So you are going to order maybe $100 or $1,000. But you see here, order price. This is very important. So you want to buy at 98,000. So you put it at 98,000. So you go and say 98,000 at 90. Sorry if I put 98,000. 98,000. If Bitcoin gets to 98,000, it's currently at 98,400 or so. 98,354. But I want it to long the market when it gets to 98,000. Let's just say 98,000. So I'll say at 98,000, execute the order. So it's going to come, and I just want to, you can put percentage of whatever you want to put. You can equally just, or whatever is in your account, and you can equally just execute based on the money that you want to write on. So here, I want to long the market when it gets there. We're not talking about take profit here. It's a limit order. So let me place the order. So the order has been placed. You can see at 98,000. So the order is waiting here to execute itself. So once the price drops to this level and gets to 98,000, it's going to pick it up. The order is going to be filled automatically because you are waiting here. So you see, sort of waiting, and you just enter the market here and it takes it up and you are in the trade. So maybe you've done your analysis, you want to sleep, you don't have time, but you know that, you see, all these places are liquidity. All these places, maybe there's fair value gap or whatever that the market may sweep. They just wait and execute. And that's the importance of the limit buy. So you can actually buy or sell. So let me cancel this. So once you execute it, you get to see current orders. So it's not a position yet. There's a current order now. And the current order is that BTC USD perpetual limit order buy at 98,000. So you can edit the market, you can edit the price here, be your waiting period, or you can edit it here. With this one, you can even add TP or take profit or stop loss here. You can add that if you've not added that. So you see the importance of that. So if you want to sell to, you can execute that. But here you can just come and you cancel it. You can cancel it here. Action. Let me just cancel it. So I've canceled it. Order has been canceled. Right. So that's the limit order. We also have the market order. So if you go to Binance, it's also the same. You see limit here, and you can the same can be applied here. So let's go to the next one we want to talk about, which is market order. For day traders, you want to get into the market and get out. Most of the times we use market order. But then if you use limit order, you may be more profitable. But market order is just for pa. You know what pa means? Simply means that you get into it and you get out. So let's go to market order. So market order is pretty much like the limit order, but that one, you buy it. So they say market order will immediately be filled at the best available price from the order book. Execution price may be better or worse than expected due to price movement. So you see the price is moving, and you just want to take advantage of that, and you enter into a market order. Immediately you enter into the market, is going to be filled, and that is very important. Once you just get into it, the market is going to be filled. The order is going to be filled. So let's assume that I want to get into this market, and maybe let me say I want to buy at 98. Then I want to long in the market at 98. Let me reduce this to 10. We'll talk about leverage in the next session. So I want to use how much of my capital. Just inputted this for this purpose. Then I want to long the market. What will I do? So I do take profit. Let me see what the market is doing. Okay, so the market may still drop down. The market may still come down. But I want to long the market. So what I will just do is to long the market in a market order. So let me just long the market. You see the order has been filled. The order has just been filled. And I'm already in the market. So you see the order has been executed, and that makes it very unique. So once you place it, it's going to enter into the market at the given price, given market price. So that is it with it. So we also have type of conditional, but this one is in Bybit. It may be different on Binance, but this is it. So we have chase limit order, we have iceberg scale order, and that. So these are the conditional orders that we have. So a conditional order is activated only when the trigger price is reached. You can use conditional orders for take profit, stop loss, and breakout trading purposes. So you can use that for that. But then you just need to be a little careful. we use limit market. If you don't understand them, you may not get into that. So when you come to Bybit also, we have post, we have stop limit, stop market, trailing stop conditional, post only, TWAP, scale order, and that. So these are also other options that are in the Binance platform that you may exhibit or explore to see whichever fits your standard. So today we've talked about the type of orders that you need to execute to make your trade or to make some gains. So learn more about this. Go on to YouTube, spend time to understand this well. Just search on that, understand that. But I hope this helps. See you in the next session. Thank you very much. I appreciate it.